pag ang ating mga miyembro ay nasa kanilang spending their personal time, especially with their families and friends. So please also show respect to their privacy and personal space.
Sumang-ayon sa panawagan ng Star Magic head na si Lauren Jogi ang karamihan sa mga loyal supporters ng all-female group na BINI. Umapila ang ABS-CBN executive sa publiko, partikular sa ilang fans ng grupong BINI na sana ay irespeto naman ang personal space and privacy ng mga miyembro ng grupo. Ito'y matapos makaranas ng mga nakakabahalang pangyayari ang ilan sa mga BINI members habang kasama ang kanilang pamilya sa mga public place. Sa pamamagitan ng isang video, nanawagan nga si Direk Lauren sa madlang people para sa seguridad at kaligtasan ng mga miyembro ng BINI kapag nasa labas sila ng kanilang mga tahanan at nagpapahinga mula sa pagtatrabaho.
Hi Blooms! Una-una, I'd like to thank all the Blooms who joined us over the weekend for the 3 successful, all sold out BINIverse concert at NFT. It was such a wonderful experience with all the Blooms. Natuwa kami dahil patunayan namin na ang babait ng mga Blooms. You've been very respectful of BINI and of everybody else who were there with you enjoying the concert. And after that 3 successful nights, nakapagpahinga ang ating mga BINI. They were able to have their personal time. They were able to rest, go home. Kaya lang, yesterday, these past few days, ako personally, I was able to see some very disturbing videos. Some of our members who didn't seem to enjoy their break from the very stressful 3-night concert. They went to a public place because they wanted to unwind and to spend some time with their families. But unfortunately, naka-experience po sila ng hindi magaganda. For Maloy, he went to a place where she was supposed to have dinner with her family, pero hindi na niya po na-enjoy yung dinner na yon dahil po nagkaroon po ng people were so excited to see her, so they asked for pictures and really disrupting the dinner that was supposed to be spent with the family. Aya also had a not so nice experience in Cebu where there was may isang lalaki, may isang fan who got so excited, nilapitan siya in a way that's very improper. So kiusap po ako personally as part of the BINI team na sana po pag ang ating mga miyembro ay nasa kanilang spending their personal time, especially with their families and friends, so please also show respect to their privacy and personal space. Tao rin po sila, kailangan din po nilang makisalamuha sa ibang tao. At nakiusap po ako sa mga Blooms at sa mga iba pa pong supporters nila. Alam ko, excited kayo makita sila, but please remember na sila po nagagaling din po sa very hectic schedule these past few months and more hectic schedules. We also want to give them their own semblance of some regular life to be able to spend it with their families in restaurants and some private places as well. Kung pwede ho, bigyan po natin sila ng pagkakataong ma-enjoy naman yun without other people who are stepping beyond the boundaries of proper behavior. So nakikiusap po ako dahil po especially for Aya, that experience was really very disturbing. So this is really a violation of the Safe Space Act for women, and this behavior can constitute actually sexual harassment in a public space. So yun po, I'm appealing to everyone to please respect the personal space and the privacy of BINI.